Three, two, one, ready. As controversy over the new canals continues to rage, traders across the country have begun raising the alarm over economic contagion from the rising with protesters blockading key nodes in the logistic routes between Sindh and Punjab. Hundreds of goods truck and fuel trackers have been stranded on the road of days, with report suggesting that the lines stretch for miles. In some area, the entire supply chain is paralyzed. According to the KCCI president, this situation is not only hurting businesses and industries but also jeopardizes employment and trade, a concern shared by trade leaders in other part of the country as well. Full stop. The exporter of perishable items are in particularly vulnerable position, with their goods at risking of spoiling on the road before they can reach the ports. Others are worried that foreign buyers may cancel their order due to the delays. Meanwhile, the oil company's advisor console has warned of potential fuel shortage up country if the situation is not addressed. Full stop. As goods movement both north and south remains suspended, a wide range of industries and enterprises are facing disruptions and unnecessary financial losses due to what is essentially a politically failure. While the federal government and the PP have recently agreed to addressing sin concern over the proposed canal, many business engaged in commerce and international trade may not be able to wait out length negotiation process. Full stop. It is imperative, therefore, for the federal government to take immediate steps to reassure protesters that their concerns have been heard and will be justly and promptly addressed. Full stop. Otherwise, the Sindh government, if it is satisfied with the step being taken at the federal level, must play its part in pacify the protester and ensuring that the blockades can be removed quickly and peacefully without further confrontation. Full stop. The suspension of the goods traffic will eventually start hurting ordinary people. It is crucial, therefore, for decision makers to move quickly. Full stop. The end.